Deel and Oyster HR, two global HR giants loved by thousands. But in 2025, which one really delivers? On the left, Deel, global payroll, compliance, and deep integrations. And on the right, Oyster HR, streamlined hiring for teams everywhere. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what actually sets them apart. We'll award points in each category, and by the end, you'll know exactly who takes the crown. The winner might just surprise you. Quick roadmap before we start. I'm going to compare these two across a bunch of categories: global coverage, pricing, features and integrations, compliance and legal, usability and support, and user experience. Everything you need to make the call for your team. Let's kick things off with global coverage. Kinda the reason you'd want one of these tools, right? Deel's got its own entities in 150 plus countries and runs payroll in-house in over 100, which is impressive. But compared to Oyster, it's just a teeny bit less. Now, Oyster HR? Oh, and here's something cool. They can operate in 180 plus countries. That means more reach, including places Deel can't hit yet, like some niche spots. The trade-off? Oyster leans a bit more on third parties and has fewer in-country payroll experts. Still, if you want huge coverage, Oyster takes this round. All right, moving on to pricing. Deel's rates are competitive, especially with their core EOR offering. But if you want to add contractors, it's $49 per month per person. That's actually above Oyster's fee, which is just $29 per contractor monthly. So for startups and scrappy teams, Oyster's pricing is way friendlier. Deel does include a bunch of HR tools for free, but at the literal base price, Oyster's more transparent. The catch is, you get fewer features baked into Oyster. Still, for folks watching their budget, Oyster just edges it out. Features and integrations. This is where Deel absolutely goes wild. Over 120 native integrations. Yeah, you heard that right. With things like QuickBooks, Xero, PayPal, Wise, Expensify. Basically, if there's an app your finance or HR team uses, it probably plugs right into Deel. Also, you get onboarding automation, analytics, IT equipment management, and even visa help in 70 plus countries. The Compliance Hub throws in real-time legal updates, which is honestly super handy. On the Oyster side, they've got their core HR and compliance tools and can hook into Google Workspace, Slack, and Microsoft 365, but not nearly as many platforms. No Zapier either, which is surprising. So if you live and breathe integrations, Deel's the clear winner. Wait, quick fact. Did you know both Deel and Oyster HR actually power remote work for over 30,000 companies? I'm talking huge names. Shopify, Nike. Yeah, these platforms are a big deal. Compliance and legal. Honestly, this is not something you want to mess up. Deel's built-in compliance covers legal and tax stuff for over 150 countries. Plus, you get that 24/7 support with an AI virtual assistant. That's huge for complex global teams. Okay. For Oyster, you get automated labor law checks in 180 countries and employment liability insurance, which, not gonna lie, is a big deal too. But here's the kicker. Oyster only runs as an EOR, not a PEO, so you lose that flexibility. So for depth and breadth, Deel takes this one. Usability and customer support. Deel's got fast, dedicated support. Think multi-channel, 24/7, and if you're an enterprise user, you get your own customer success manager. That's kind of next level, especially if things go wrong at 2 a.m. It might be a bit much for tiny teams, though. Oyster's onboarding flow is actually super slick. Digital contracts, self-serve, feels modern, but their support is ticket-based and a little slow for urgent stuff. So if you need answers fast, Deel's just the better pick. User experience. Now, this one is pretty balanced. Deel brings you performance and development tools, plus their own Deel Academy for self-training, which is neat. Some folks say it feels more like an add-on, not a full HRIS, but still, tons to do. Oyster scores with onboarding automation and their Oyster Academy, so getting started feels easy, especially for remote newbies. Localized benefits and everything feels pretty seamless. Both are just solid overall here, so it's a tie. If you're a visual learner, imagine our radar chart. Oyster HR spikes when it comes to global coverage and pricing, but Deel sort of dominates in features, compliance, and support. User experience, they're neck and neck. So picture Oyster for hiring everywhere on a budget, Deel for deep HR features and support. All right, top line call. Deel is absolutely the go-to for big global companies who need all the fancy compliance, integrations, and support you can get. If you're a mid-size org or startup and just want to hire everywhere cheaply and without the fuss, Oyster HR is honestly a killer option. So, winner depends on what you value most. If you like this side-by-side, hit subscribe or follow. More expert HR tech breakdowns are coming your way.